everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to reset your YouTube password. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to reset your YouTube account password, tap open your YouTube application. Once you do that, tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner in order to sign in. Tap on sign in. Tap on Add Accounts. In order to sign into your YouTube, you'll need to enter your Google information, type in your email or your phone number associated with your Google account, and tap on the Next button. If you don't have an account yet, then you can click on Create Account and follow the instructions to register first. In case you've forgotten your email, tap on Forgot Email link and follow the instructions to look for your email account. Tap on the Next button after you're done. On the next page, when asked for your password, tap on Forgot Password to reset your password for your YouTube account. Remember that resetting your YouTube account password will also reset your Google account's password. Choose one of the options in order to sign in. Let me tap on Get a Verification Code. Wait for the verification code, and after you do that, it will automatically take you to the next step. Now, you'll receive an email verification. Tap open the email and you'll be able to see that there's a code sent to you. Copy the code, go back to the page, enter the code in the text field. After that, tap on the Next button. On the next page, you'll get an option to change your password. Create a strong password for your YouTube account. Confirm the password by typing it again. If you want to check the password, then you can tap on Show Password box and reveal the password. Tap on Save Password at the bottom right corner after you're done, and on the next page, tap on I agree. Tap on Accept, and you have successfully reset your YouTube account's password. As I mentioned earlier, that changing your YouTube account's password will also change your Google account's password, so make sure to type in the password that you just changed to whenever you are trying to log into your account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.